The Serbian Armed Forces recently received a series of new domestically produced combat vehicles based on both wheel and track chassis. Noteworthy are the new BOV M16 Miloš 4x4 multi-purpose ammo vehicles, developed by Yugoimport SDPR. The company says the vehicle is based on a self-supporting hull, modern drive and transmission assemblies, and an independent suspension system which ensures high mobility in any terrain and weather conditions, with a maximum combat weight exceeding 14 tons. The M16 Miloš was first publicly presented at IDEX 2017 exhibition in Abu Dhabi, UAE. It features a V-hull integrating floating floor plates and blast mitigation seating to protect occupants against landmines and improvised explosive devices. The Miloš 4x4 is the response to the needs of modern armed forces. It can be used either for patrol missions, reconnaissance, as a command vehicle, transportation and support, ambulance, anti-terrorism, etc. The design of the Miloš 4x4 is based on a monocoque hull using modern power pack and transmission. The standard version of the Miloš 4x4 can accommodate 8 soldiers, including driver and commander, with 4 seats at the front and 4 seats at the rear, located on each side of the hull. At the front of the vehicle are 2 large forward opening doors with bulletproof windows in their upper part. On each side of the tube compartment are 2 rectangular bulletproof windows with a firing port in the lower part. The infantrymen enter and leave the Miloš via a power-operated ramp at the rear of the hull that opens downwards, including a manual door that can be used in case of power failure. This door is also equipped with 1 bulletproof window and a firing port. The hull is made on steel armor that offers ballistic protection level 3 on the front and level 2 on sides and rear part of the vehicle. It also has a mine blast protection standard 4569 level 2 blast explosion 6 kg of TNT under the wheels. The protection of the Miloš can be further increased with modular additional armor, specifically designed to provide fast replacement of damaged blades in field conditions, and offering different types of armor levels depending on the threats of the mission. The Miloš 4x4 weighs 12 tons when empty and has a maximum payload of 2 tons. The vehicle is 5.45 meters long, 2.51 meters wide, and 2.3 meters high. The Miloš 4x4 is fitted with a remotely controlled weapon system, which can be armed with a 12.7mm machine gun, automatic grenade launchers, long-range anti-tank guided missile systems, air defense rocket systems. The turret is also equipped with optoelectronic thermal imaging, laser range finder, day and night sight, and TV radar system, which can be used for border control and surveillance. Observation and engagement of targets in daylight and night conditions at long ranges due to high-resolution CCTV camera, thermal imaging camera, and laser range finder. Targets can be engaged with fast and accurate machine gun fire due to advanced integrated fire control system featuring ballistic computer with automatic reticule generation. The turret can be used against land targets up to a distance of 2,000 meters and up to 1,500 meters for aerial targets. 6 smoke-related structures are mounted to the top rear of the troops compartment. The Miloš 4x4 multipurpose armor is motorized with the Cummins ISB 300 diesel engine, developing 300 horsepower at 2,500 revolutions per minute, coupled to an Allison 3500 SP automatic transmission with 6 forwards and 1 reverse gear. The vehicle has 2 axial road wheels with independent suspension and hydraulic shock absorbers, offering high mobility and off-road performance. The Miloš 4x4 can run at a maximum road speed of 110 km per hour. It is able to climb forward slopes up to 60%, side slopes of 30%. It has a floating depth capability of 1 meter without preparation. It can cross trenches up to 0.9 meters and has a turning radius of 9 meters. Standard equipment of the Miloš 4x4 multipurpose armor includes air conditioning system and NBC protection systems, modern communication types of equipment, command information system, and night vision and cameras. The driver position is equipped with night vision cameras mounted on the roof of the vehicle. A similar system is mounted on the roof of the troops compartment. The vehicle is fitted with a center tire inflation system and a run flat system. The Miloš 4x4 is also equipped with a run flat system, which ensures the mobility of the vehicle up to 50 km in case of serious damage to the wheels.